Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Daniel here at Reinhardt Equipment. We're located at 3556 Martha Berry Highway. We're going to go over this awesome 2017 Bobcat T650 with you today. This machine, like all the other used machines in our inventory, has been passed through a rigorous front and back inspection by a certified Bobcat technician. This machine is standard hand and foot controls, enclosed cab, does have AC and heat, Bob-tach for quick change front attachments. It's a great looking machine here. Let's go ahead and jump inside and see how it runs. All right, we cranked the machine up here. This machine has 475 hours, still under factory warranty, not to mention our standalone 90-day warranty that we offer here. We're the only ones in the business that offer warranty on used machines. Guys, thanks again for watching. Come back and visit our channel for more great deals. Also, check out www.reinhardtequipment.com for the most up-to-date inventory and pricing. Or give us a call at 800-489-3305. Thanks again.